Members of staff in all government agencies in Uganda will have to undergo a 2-hour physical exercise session every week in efforts to improve the workers' health. The East African country's head of public service, Lucy Nachobe, has written to all state institution heads to implement the directive with immediate effect. She addressed her letter dated March 13, 2024, to the agency's CEOs, the clerk of Uganda's parliament, and permanent secretaries in the respective ministries. Nachobe said the Ministry of Health had asked her to order an introduction of weekly physical exercise sessions in the public service. In her letter, Nachobe asked the public institution CEOs to give the matter serious attention, saying physical exercises would help save the lives of public servants and reduce disease burden on the government. In her letter, the head of public service did not clarify the consequences of defying her directive. Medical experts say lack of physical exercise and poor eating habits could lead to obesity, which increases the risk of getting lifestyle diseases such as heart disease, hypertension, diabetes, and stroke. Earlier March, Uganda released its demographic and health survey, which indicated that cases of obesity in the country had risen from 17% to 26% in a period of 17 years. In its report in February 2023, the World Health Organization (WHO) said that 24% of women and 9% of men in Uganda aged between 15 and 49 years are overweight or obese. The WHO said the prevalence of hypertension and diabetes among adults in Uganda is gradually increasing over the years, with women having a higher prevalence of 27.7% and 4.7% as compared to males with 26.7% and 4.4% respectively. The WHO further stated that heart diseases, diabetes, and respiratory disorders contribute to 33% of deaths in Uganda. In 2009, Uganda's then permanent secretary for the judiciary, Pius Bigirimana, introduced a weekly physical exercise session among judges, magistrates, registrars, and other judicial staff members. In April 2020, after the COVID-19 pandemic outbreak, Uganda's President Yoweri Museveni released his workout video to encourage people to keep fit during lockdown. In the neighboring Rwanda, the government introduced Kigali Car Free Day in 2016. On this day, motorists are encouraged to ditch their vehicles and use environmentally friendly transport like cycling and walking. The Car Free Day happens every first and third Sunday of the month.